In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can log in into NerdWallet. So for those people who do not know NerdWallet is basically a wallet. So you guys can store your money into it to transfer your money in and out. If you guys have heard of crypto wallet, it's similar to that. In crypto wallet, you store crypto, and NerdWallet, you store money. All right. So that's the difference. So let me show you guys how you guys can log in into it. But before that, it's me, Richie Kevin, and you're watching One to Step YouTube channel. And if you guys are new to this channel, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. Let's move on. First step, you want to search for NerdWallet account. After you do that, you want to click on the first link over here. After you click on it, it's going to take you to its page. Once you're here, you want to click on sign in. Once you click on sign in, it's going to take you to its login page. For sign up, it's going to create an account. You click on sign in, it's going to ask you to log in. Once you're over here, you want to enter your email address. After you enter your email address, you just need to enter a password. So I entered my email address. Now I can enter my password over here. After I do that, I can just scroll a bit down and click and continue. And once I do that, if all my information I typed over here is correct, I should be able to log in into my account. And if you guys have, logged in into our account using Google or Apple, you want to click on these two options at the top. All right. So hope you guys were able to understand. If you guys did, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, bit notification on, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then.